Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Sonos soundbar to your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have a Sonos soundbar like how I do right over here. How do you actually connect it to your Samsung Smart TV? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way that I actually did it was that here I have my Samsung Smart TV, and then down over here I have my Sonos soundbar. So it was actually pretty simple to connect, in which my Sonos soundbar connected directly into the wall outlet, and then I'm actually using this HDMI cord to connect all the way to the HDMI inlet of my Samsung Smart TV. So all this is just an HDMI cord, and so I'll leave a link to it down below in the description, but you do want to make sure that it's long enough so that your Sonos soundbar can reach your Samsung Smart TV. So now once it's connected, what you're going to do is that you're going to take your Samsung Smart TV remote, which is this remote over here, and then you're going to click on the home icon, and then you're going to navigate to where it says settings. So click on settings. Now on this page here, you want to scroll down to where it says sound, and then click on sound. And then for the sound output, you want to click on that. And then you just want to make sure that the sound output is set to receiver HDMI, okay? So because I connected my Sonos soundbar to my smart TV via HDMI, you want to make sure that receiver HDMI is selected. By default, it usually is going to be selected on TV speaker, which is essentially the TV speaker on your Samsung Smart TV. But go ahead and change it to receiver HDMI so that you can play sound from your Sonos soundbar. But that right there, guys, is the best way and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Sonos soundbar to your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.